Hello everyone and welcome to this video. As I said, I'm still searching and working on Web3s, and I found another one that it's, I think, more powerful and more secure than others. It's MemeFi coin. So I searched the Twitter about this and I found it's verified as an organization, this page, and it's followed by yes coin, and the price actually it's on coin market cap, and you can see the price change here and the value of the market. Everything is in coin market cap, and you can see changes in daytime. This one actually have 2 and 3 million followers, and it's kind of more verified than others. There's a side of it that explain everything here. I put the links in the description, and you can buy a skin, you can upgrade your bot, you can do everything. But something happened this week. Let me show you the robot here. So it's clickable like other robots, and you can have boosters every 24 hours, and there are some tasks you can do to earn more coins and invite people to earn coin. So the new thing that happened, it's a drop here. You can connect your wallet now, and I created a new trust wallet because you should create a wallet here to get secret phrases, or you should import your secret phrase on this game. So I created a new wallet, and I created a new trust wallet actually, and I paste a secret phrase on this one, a wallet that is empty, and I got the secret phrase and I paste it here. So it's kind of easy to do that. You just need to go to your trust wallet, and I got my wallets here, made another one, it's empty. I got the phrases of this wallet manually, and I put it on the game. So I haven't seen this type of connection, but it was kind of new. I made it to this wallet, and I connected my wallet to this Web3. So there's no any launch time or anything about this. Just let me show you the channel of this MemeFi coin. It's kind of interesting here because okay, it's verified on Telegram. The channel is verified, and it got about 8 million of subscribers as their games, and they have chat, the site memefi.club, and everything looks more secure and more better than others. So I checked everything. It's actually just clickable and invitable. You can do the task, you can get the reward, and there's no any launch time actually for that. But I checked the coin market cap. The contract is on Solana, so maybe they changed the contract many of them do that, but I think it's good for trusting this, and this is the price now. It decreased in one day, and everything is clear here. It's been listed in CoinMarketCap, and I think it's more secure than others. But don't pay anything to these games, because you cannot be sure that they will launch, or they will give you money, reward, or anything. Don't pay anything. Make sure you when you want to connect your wallet, make sure you do it for every game. Create a new wallet and connect the wallet to that new one. So it was all. I checked, everything was fine, and there wasn't any scam on this one. Actually, their organization, they have site and verified since October 2023. So as I said, always don't pay for this Web3 games. Just use it as a hobby in your free times, and maybe you get rewards. So let's check the YouTube of this MemeFi. So about 2 million of followers here, and the Instagram 2.6 million of followers. So it's kind of I think more powerful than others, and it's been launched on CoinMarketCap. It's been on CoinMarketCap, and the contract address is on Solana. So just check it, and I put the link in the description. And as I said again, I'm saying again, don't try to spend any money of this. Just try to use it as a hobby and maybe get some reward, but don't try to pay to this Web3s, because they not maybe launch. They change their launch name, and still waiting to see that what will happen to Hamster Combat and TapSwap, because the launch date of both have been changed, and I don't know they're gonna be launched or not. So I put everything, links of Robot, Twitter, and CoinMarketCap, and the website, channel, everything in the description. Just test it and check whatever you see. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will search again, and I'll find more Web3 games.